Now, students, happy Independence Day. Today, again, we will solve some assignment for the operating system, C programming, and the discrete mathematics. Okay. So at first, we will come to the this C programming. The first question they have asked the control and conditional statement in C. The answer is both because if and else as well as switch both are the conditional statement. Second question, what is the output of this question? Okay, so if you are writing any such type of program, you should write, you can use the compiler, okay, programmist.com, or there are many compilers. So we have written all the programs here one by one. Okay, so we have written in this method the first program, we have written first code. Okay, if we will execute the code here, it is not possible to execute the code, so I will show the output is here. So the first output, the first code come back from the conditional statement. Why? Because in the first code he is asking the question, he is asking, see, include first code x is equal to 1 if x is equal to 0, if x is not equal to 0, so it will come outside. Okay, so the second question, now second question, solve this one. int I is equal to 2, I is equal to plus plus. So here I is equal to I plus plus, so I will print 2, after then I is equal to 3. If we will check, then the same answer is there. Later we will show the answers. Okay, so answer is 2. If he is asking if there are multiple commands in the conditional statement, then it will work from left to right. Okay, not right to left. Now the next program, if we will write the program, it will check the sum of the all digits, that is the negative. Okay, now next, while 1. Okay, while 1 means there is a signal, so that will be infinite loop. Okay, now question number 7, he is asking a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, and a plus is equal to a is less than equal to b. If you will solve, the answer will be 6. And 8th number program, he is asking a, the ASCII value of a is 65 and the ASCII value of small a is equal to 97. So a is less than, okay, that NPTEL will print. Now the 9th question, the switch statement that will work for the integer, character and the long. So all of the above. Now question number 3, what will be the output of the following program? So you can see that case 1 they have given, but after then there is no break statement, so the default also it will work. So the answer will be A as well as B. Okay, if you want to check the output, so already we have written the program here. You can see what I told, write all the programs. Okay, so we have written all the programs one by one. If you want, we will also send you. Then the output is not available here. So the output is first code output is come back to the conditional statement. Second output is 2. Third output is if we enter 34, then the output is equal to -7 because 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, it will be negative. Fourth code output is 6. Fifth code output is in place of NPTEL I have written Yogesh. And the sixth code there is no output, and seventh code choice is 1 as well as choice is default because there is no break statement. Okay, so we have solved all the programs. Now we will go to the next one, the C program we have done. Now we will go to the and also you can see today we solve the assignment. Okay, now the second one, operating system. What is the purpose of context switch in an operating system? You know that context switching means you are going from one process to another process, okay, to allow the multitasking. Okay, so answer C is there. Which of the following system call is used to replace the current process image in new process image? That is the EXECL. Okay, third one, what is the output of the following code? If you will write, copy the code and check, go to the Geek for Geek website. Okay, and you can see how the program is working. The output will be the exactly same as the output of -l command. Now same as well as question number 4. Question number 4 is very interesting. We also solved this question multiple times in classroom also. Whenever I is equal to I into T2 or I is equal to I upon 2, the time complexity for such program is log of n, we have solved this program multiple times. Okay, and my request, how the fork is working, you should also know. Okay, now see, this program came multiple times in the gate. Okay, fork, it is creating one child and one process. Okay, so now fork or fork. So this is or means either 1 0 it will execute, or 0 1 it will execute, 1 1 it will execute, 0 0 it will not execute. So if there is 1 0, then it will call to the fork. Okay, then 1 will print, again 1 0, then 0 1, again fork will execute. So total number of 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times it will execute, because 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, so if you are able to understand this program, it is very easy to understand also the fork. Now next time also, if you want, in the classroom also we will solve this problem. Okay, while also, because these questions come multiple times in the gate also. Now question number 5, choose the invalid option. So here the OS execute exit system call when the process decided to enter into the waiting state. This is the wrong answer and other are the correct answer. Okay, what is the exit means? System call. System call is very important for the gate. We will solve some problem. Okay, just now the wait system call, it is used to he is asking which is invalid, is used by the child process to wait for its parent process this to terminate. This is wrong, because parent will say to execute the child, not child will say to execute the parent. So this is wrong. Question number 7 also, pipe statement. He is asking which one is the correct. Okay, so the A, B, D is the correct, C is not correct. Okay, what he is saying, C can be used to inter-process communication between unrelated process. So this is wrong question. Question number 8 also, he is asking about the third degree of multiprocess. Okay, he is asking which of the following is not related to. So degree of multi-programming is related to the process, not the thread. Thread is the lightweight. Okay, now a multi-processor system, answer C, is suitable for executing strictly sequential processing task efficiently. And the last question, the communication. So this last one is not correct. So all are the system calls. Okay, today we submit, and also if you will see, we have written some guidelines for you. Okay, now see here, we have written some guideline. What is the system call? A system call is a mechanism used by programs to request service from operating system. Okay, so SHMGT, SHMAT, SHMDT and SHMCTL are the commonly used system call. You should also try to understand what is the meaning of this. We have also explained what is SMGT, what is SHMAT, SHMDT and SHMCTL. Okay, so they are also asked multiple times such type of questions in GATE also. You should prepare well. Now the next, okay, we solve all the problem. Now at last I will go to the discrete mathematics. So discrete mathematics also, the first question he is asking, A is equal to 1 set they have given, B is equal to 1 set he has given. Now he is asking the Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay, so what is the solution of this problem? I will show. Okay, now see here, this is the answer. A is equal to math, physics and chemistry, total number of 3 elements, and B is equal to biology, history, total number of 2 elements. So Cartesian product means you will multiply this math, biology and history, as well as physics, biology and history, and chemistry, relation with biology and history. So total number of relations are 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 relations. Okay, so how to find how many relations are there? Okay, later we will discuss. The first question he is asking which one is the matching actually with. So if you will see the first question, first and third are matching, and this second and fourth is not matching, because physics and chemistry both are in same set, and as well as here also math and physics in C, in B, this is also in same set. So answer number B and D are incorrect. Now he is asking total number of mapping from A to B, है ना, Cartesian product. So now see here, total number of mapping, how to find? I have clearly written here. So A has total number of 3 elements and B has 2 elements. Okay, every element of A has 2 chance. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 की power 3, and you know that power set of A is equal to power of total number of set. Okay, so this is m to the power n, according to this 2 to the power 3. So according, if A cardinality is equal to m, B cardinality is equal to n, then total m की power n. And according to the total number of subset property, 2 to the power. So 2 to the power m to the power n. This is the correct answer is D. Okay. So you should also answer the correct answer. Okay. Answer is D. Now which of the following matrices represent the symmetric relation? Okay. Now see here, what is actually symmetric? Symmetric means Aij is equal to Bij. Aij is equal to Agi. Now in the second, this question be solved in classroom. Okay. Now see here, the upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix are similar in first. Second also, upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix are same. Here 0, 0, 0 and 1 at last. Okay. Also Aii is equal to Aii. Okay. This diagonal must be also same. So 1 is equal to 1, 0 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is symmetric, this is symmetric, and this one also symmetric. So answer is equal to CDE. Okay. Means lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix both must be similar. Aij is equal to Agi. That is the symmetric property. Okay. Now next, his same question he is asking, S is equal to 1, 2, 3 and R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Then relation R will be symmetric if AB is equal to BA. Okay. So first question, symmetric if 3, 2 is added. You know that if 3, 2 is added, what about 2, 3? 2, 3 is not here. In R, 2, 3 is not available. Okay. So this is wrong answer. Second, reflexive if 1, 1 is added. What is the definition of reflexive? For all A belong, means A belong to R. Okay. For all A. So now 1, 1 is added. Okay. What about 2, 2 and 3, 3? Because in S there are total number of 3 elements, 1, 2, 3. So this is also incorrect. Transitive property, 1, 1 and 2, 2 is added. Correct. Okay. Because 1, 2 and 2, 1. 1, 1 is not here. 1, 1 is not available in R. So 1, 1 is a need. And suppose I will replace the property. Means at first I will write 2, 1. Then I will write 1, 2. Then 2, 2 also need. So 2, 2 also necessary. So third answer is correct. Fourth answer is not correct, because even you are not adding 1, 1, after then also it is symmetric. Okay. Does not change reflexive and symmetric property, transitive property. No need actually. So what is the reflexive? If every element of A in S, A belong to R, that is the reflexive. Symmetric property, if every element AB in R, then BA also in R. And transitive property, if every element AB and BC in R, then AC also in R. That is the transitive property. Now see here. So this is very important question. So question number, answer is equal to third. Question number 5. P modulo 3 is equal to 2 and 0 is less than P is less than 5. The answer is equal to this. How? Total number of reflexive relation. Okay. This question multiple times they asked in GATE also. So you should remember the property, how to find total number of reflexive relation. 2 to the power n square minus n. If you will solve, you will get this answer. Okay. I think that you understand. Now the next question number 6. Which of the following transitive relation? Transitive relation you should check. Transitive relation means AB, if AB belong to R and B belong to R and BC, I will show transitive property. Okay, transitive property already we discussed, na? So 1, 2 belong to R and 2 belong to R, 1 2 also must belong to R. So if we'll check question number 6, the answer is this. Okay. Now question number 7. I will show question number, at first I will show you question number 6. But it is very actually difficult to handle the screen. Okay. Question number 3, R3 is correct. Transitive property already we discussed in the class also. Okay. Now next he is asking R is equal to L1 L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Then he is asking it is a anti-symmetric, it is a reflexive, it is a transitive, or it is a symmetric. Okay. So it is symmetric. Why? Because L1 is perpendicular to L2. If one line is perpendicular to another line, then another line will also perpendicular. This L1 is perpendicular to L2, then L2 also perpendicular to L1. So according to this property, this is the symmetric. Okay. And also we have written a line cannot be perpendicular to itself. This question multiple times they also asked it in GATE also. This is not reflexive. Why? Because any line is not perpendicular to itself. Question number 8. X is a prime number. 1 is less than x is less than 25. Collection of subset of S. S is equal to total number of prime from 1 to 25 is equal to this. Now partition. What is the meaning of partition? Every element of S belong to exactly one of the subset. The subsets are pairwise disjoint. That is the property of partition. So now this question is wrong in NPTEL. Option number 2 and 4 are similar. You can see also. If you want, I will show also. This question is wrong in NPTEL. Multiple times they are showing wrong answer. I don't know. You can see question number 8. The question, the B and D both are same. Okay. But question number C2 and 5. This is not the such property because two elements are in one set. So this is wrong. Now question number 9. He is asking which of the following is the equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means reflexive, transitive and symmetric, all. So only one. This question number 9 is very good. You should also try to solve. Question 9 is very good. Okay, equivalence relation. R is equal to AB. Okay, you can see also 4 divided by 2. The first property he has asked. At first we will see the first property. What is the first property? See, first property he is asking. We cannot increase the size of this screen. Okay. So you should also open the system. Okay. First question, A, B, both A and B are even number, non-zero integers, and AB is an integer. Now you can see if I will take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. So you can see that 2 upon 4, 2 is even number, 4 is even number, but 2 upon 4 is not even number. So fail. Second also similarly, third is also similarly, A is less than B but B is not less than A. Incorrect. But 4 is correct in every case. 4 is correct in every case. So we will solve, we will send also the solutions. The solutions are here. You can see why the second is wrong, why the third is wrong, and why the 4 is correct in every case we have solved. Question number 10. Very interesting question. Okay. He is asking, he has given also wrong question number 10 because he has used two operators. So this is legally actually this is not correct. Okay, so you should try to understand. Maybe this is both are division. Okay, so total number of symmetric relation and total number of anti-symmetric relation. The formula is this: n square and 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 and 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27. Correct answer is 8 and 27. So these are the all solutions we have sent. So our request, please submit, as well as today is not last day, but my request to everyone that please submit the answer. Okay, thank you once again, and please share to your friends also.